This is the Woodford WF-30MS mounting sleeve for the Woodford Model 16, 17, and the Model 19. So on the back of the package here, it will come with that little picture breakdown of the assembly. And then right here, it'll also have that list of parts that it will include. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the package. Come with those brackets, which are stuck in here. So the mounting brackets, the hardware, and of course the mounting sleeve. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each of the parts here. Starting with the sleeve, we'll measure from the longest part. And it'll measure just shy of 6.5 inches. And then I can get an outer diameter of the top side here, which will measure right at 2.5 inches. Make sure it's in the camera there. And then we'll start with that little C-shaped bracket here. Get a total length, which will measure right at 2.5 inches. And then we can get the width this way, going to the longest part. And it'll measure right at about 1 1/8 inches. Next, we'll measure this piece, or this bracket here. Get a total length of right about 2 3/4 inches. And a total height of just shy of 2 inches. Then last but not least, measure this bigger bracket here. So we'll start with a total height on this one. Like you can see, it measures right at 3 3/4 inches. And then the width of right about 3 3/4 inches as well. Yeah, once again, this is the Woodford WF-30MS mounting sleeve.